Ever wondered if you could easily dive into the world of cryptocurrency right here in the UK with one of the big players? Specifically, has Kraken, a name synonymous with crypto trading, set up shop, and is it playing by the rules across the pond? That's exactly what we're going to unravel today. Forget the generic introductions, let's get straight to the heart of the matter, because if you're a crypto enthusiast or even just crypto curious in the United Kingdom, this is information you absolutely need to know. The digital asset landscape is a constantly evolving frontier, and navigating its legalities can feel like traversing a maze. Different countries have adopted varying approaches to regulating cryptocurrency exchanges and the services they offer. So, the burning question remains, where does the UK stand with Kraken? Is it a legitimate and regulated platform for UK residents, or is it operating in a gray area? To truly understand Kraken's position in the UK, we need to take a step back and consider the broader regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies in the United Kingdom. Unlike some regions with outright bans or extremely restrictive measures, the UK has been taking a more nuanced approach. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, is the primary regulatory body overseeing financial services in the UK, and its stance on crypto has been developing over time. Initially, the focus was heavily on anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-terrorist financing, CTF, regulations. In 2020, the FCA implemented rules requiring UK-based crypto asset firms to register with them and comply with these regulations. This was a significant step towards bringing a level of oversight to the sector and ensuring that businesses operating with digital currencies were adhering to standards aimed at preventing illicit activities. Now, let's circle back to Kraken. The good news for UK residents is that Kraken does indeed operate in the United Kingdom. They have taken the necessary steps to register with the FCA, confirming their commitment to complying with the local regulatory framework. This registration signifies that Kraken has met the FCA's requirements for AML and CTF procedures, providing a degree of assurance for users in the UK regarding the platform's legitimacy. However, it's crucial to understand the scope of this registration. While it covers AML and CTF, the UK's regulatory landscape for crypto is still maturing, and further regulations concerning other aspects of crypto services might be introduced in the future. For now, Kraken's registration allows them to offer their suite of cryptocurrency trading services to individuals and institutions within the UK. So, what exactly can you do with Kraken if you're based in the UK? Let's delve into some of the key features and services available. 1. Spot trading. This is the core of most cryptocurrency exchanges, and Kraken is no exception. UK users can buy and sell a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, from established players like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to a diverse selection of altcoins. The platform provides various order types, including market orders for immediate execution at the best available price and limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price. For more advanced traders, Kraken offers features like stop-loss and take-profit orders to manage risk. 2. Margin trading and futures. For those with a higher risk appetite and a more sophisticated understanding of trading, Kraken offers margin trading and futures contracts in the UK, subject to specific eligibility criteria and regulatory allowances. Margin trading allows users to borrow funds to increase their trading positions, potentially amplifying both profits and losses. Futures 1 contracts are agreements to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price on a future date, offering another way to speculate on price movements. It's vital to note that these features come with significant risk and are generally not recommended for beginners. 1. www.binance.com. www.binance.com. 3. Staking. Kraken allows UK users to participate in staking for certain cryptocurrencies. Staking involves holding and locking up your crypto assets to support the operation of a blockchain network in exchange for rewards, typically in the form of additional cryptocurrency. The specific cryptocurrencies available for staking and the annual percentage yields, APYs, can vary. This offers a way to potentially earn passive income on your crypto holdings. 4. Kraken Pro. For more active and experienced traders, Kraken offers a more advanced trading interface called Kraken Pro. This platform provides more detailed charting tools, advanced order types, and lower trading fees compared to the standard Kraken interface. UK users who require more sophisticated trading capabilities can access Kraken Pro. 5. Fiat currency support. A significant advantage for UK users is Kraken's support for the British pound sterling, GBP. You can deposit and withdraw GBP directly to and from your Kraken account, making the process of funding your trading activities and accessing your profits much more convenient. They typically offer various methods for GBP transfers, such as bank transfers. 6. Security measures. Kraken has a strong reputation for its commitment to security. They employ a range of measures to protect user funds and data, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of digital assets, and encryption protocols. While no platform is entirely immune to risks, Kraken's security track record provides a level of confidence for UK users. It's always crucial for individual users to also practice good security hygiene, such as using strong, unique passwords and enabling 2FA. 7. Educational resources. For those new to the world of cryptocurrency, Kraken offers various educational resources, including guides, articles, and FAQs. While not as extensive as some dedicated educational platforms, these resources can be helpful for UK users looking to learn more about cryptocurrency trading and the features available on Kraken. 8. Mobile app. Kraken provides a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, allowing UK users to manage their accounts, trade cryptocurrencies, and monitor the market on the go. The app generally offers a streamlined version of the desktop platform's key features. It's important to remember that while Kraken is registered with the FCA for AML and CTF purposes, this doesn't equate to the same level of consumer protection as traditional financial services. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, meaning your investments can go down as well as up, and you could lose a significant portion of your capital. The UK regulatory landscape for crypto is still evolving, and future regulations could impact the services offered by Kraken and other exchanges. Furthermore, it's always wise for UK residents to conduct their own thorough research before using any cryptocurrency exchange, including Kraken. Understand the risks involved, the fees associated with trading and transactions, and the specific terms and conditions of the platform. While Kraken's registration with the FCA is a positive indicator, being an informed user is paramount in the world of digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.